Alright, if you're making low content books like journals, planners, or notebooks on Amazon KDP, here's a tool you need to check out. It's called Publisher Rocket, and it shows you exactly what people are searching on Amazon and how competitive each keyword is. I just type in a keyword like sci-fi romance, and it shows me search volume, how hard it is to rank, and even how much money those books are making. Then I use the competition tab to pick at the top books in that niche, page count, price, even estimated sales. It tells me if I should go for it or niche down more. Best part, I can also find the right categories so my book isn't buried in a sea of competition. I use Publisher Rocket every single time I publish a book. It's a total game changer. If you want to try it, click the link in the description and grab Publisher Rocket. It's totally worth it, especially if you're publishing low content book and want better visibility.